Hello, second graders. Today you are going to do an engineering project to help Goldilocks design a new chair for Baby Bear. To do this, we are going to use the engineering design process that has 6 steps. The first step in the engineering design process is to ask a question. What is the problem that we need to solve? Once we figure out what the problem is, the next step is to imagine how we can solve it. What different steps do we need to take to be able to solve the problem? Next, we need a plan. Whoops. Next, we need a plan. We can make a list of all the items that we have to use as materials so that we can figure out what we want to design. We can draw a picture of what we want to do to solve the problem. Then we create. We use our plan to design what we imagined to solve the problem. After we've created, we have to test it to make sure that it does solve the problem. We have to make sure it works. Finally, we make improvements. We make our design better based on how the tests went. We have to go back and ask questions about the problem that we needed to solve. Did our design include all of the requirements? Was it strong enough? By asking these questions, we start the engineering design process again. Let's get started. Goldilocks and the new chair, or how to make amends for breaking furniture. We all know that when Goldilocks went into the Three Bears' house, she not only ate Baby Bear's porridge, but she also tried out several pieces of furniture before settling on the one that was just right. In the process, she ended up breaking poor Baby Bear's chair. The story usually ends with Goldilocks running out of the door after being frightened awake when the bears returned from their walk. What isn't usually included in the story is what happened after she ran out of the door. When Goldilocks' mother found out that Goldilocks had not only strayed from the path, but that she had also illegally entered the bear's house, she was quite upset. She was determined that her daughter would repair any damage that she had done in their house. "But I don't know how to build a new chair for Baby Bear," wailed Goldilocks when she heard her mother's plan. "Whatever am I to do?" "Well, you should probably consult a structural engineer," replied her mother. "That's you." Here's the problem. Goldilocks needs you to develop a prototype or a model for a chair for Baby Bear. Use what you know about structures to design and build a chair that meets the following requirements. It has a seat that can hold at least 1 kilogram for 1 minute. 1 kilogram is a little more than 2 pounds. It has 4 legs and a back. It is a minimum, or at least, 12 inches high. It has Baby Bear's name on the back of the chair. This is a list of materials that you can use, but you should use whatever you have at your house to be able to make Baby Bear's chair. Some ideas include newspapers, pieces of cardboard, foam sheets, construction paper, string, popsicle sticks, plastic straws, coffee stirrers, pipe cleaners, tape, rubber bands. You could even use paper towel tubes or anything from your recycling bin to make Baby Bear's chair. One thing you will definitely need is a 16-ounce water bottle or something that weighs about 1 kilogram. That's a little more than 2 pounds. You'll need that to test your chair to make sure that it holds the weight. Problem solving. Ask the question. What do you know about shapes that are strong and can bear weight? What will be the length, width, and height of your chair? How will you attach the seat and the back of the chair? Imagine, what could your chair look like? Using the ideas you have from the questions we've asked above, you're going to draw a picture of what your baby bear chair is going to look like. I can't wait to see your ideas.